Yeah, welcome to W Center. This we're trying to enumerate the importance of using a reference or tags. Using reference or tags in engineering drawing can never be overemphasized. From the diagram we can see it makes the diagram neat and less cumbersome. That is, instead of moving wires from one angle to another or one end to another in our drawing, the reference point for the power line is simply stated using our reference diagram, or the most modern tags in electrical system diagram. So making use of this reference in particular, you see, power in and power out reference, then joining the wire just like this. You understand? In this case it's quite simple, but imagine the complexity of multiple diagram with multiple source. There is going to be crisscross of wire. We usually encounter that. So to avoid this, we're going to make use of our tag. So deleting the wires for the power settings and just putting on tags in our diagrams, or reference, power in reference and power out reference or tags. You can see it makes it quite easy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you upgrade by using tags to make your diagram neat.